If you've been using Raiz to invest spare change automatically, but want something with better features, flexibility, or lower fees, then this video is for you. Let's go straight into some of the best Raiz alternative apps worth switching to or using alongside it. First, Spaceship Voyager. This app offers simple, fee-free investing for balances under $50,000, and even beyond that, its management fees remain among the lowest in Australia. You can choose between diversified portfolios or themed options like Spaceship Universe, which focuses on innovative global companies. It's beginner-friendly and completely digital, with no confusing investment terms or hidden charges. Next, Sharesies. This app gives you direct access to Australian, New Zealand, and US markets with fractional investing. Unlike Raiz, you can choose your exact investments instead of relying solely on preset portfolios. The interface is modern, the fees are transparent, and you can start with as little as $1. Then there's CommSEC Pocket, built by Commonwealth Bank. It's ideal for users who want exposure to ETFs but prefer a bank-backed, trusted platform. You can invest in themed ETFs, like sustainability or technology, from as little as $10. The app provides clear overviews and easy withdrawals, something Raiz users sometimes find restrictive. Pearler is another strong contender. It's designed for long-term investors who value consistency and automation. With Pearler, you can set goals, invest automatically, and even copy strategies from other users. It's especially appealing for those pursuing financial independence or a steady wealth-building plan. Lastly, Superhero offers low-cost investing in both Australian and US shares. It's simple, transparent, and lets you buy full or fractional shares. You get total control over your portfolio, unlike Raiz's automated model. Each of these apps offers unique strengths, lower fees, greater control, or broader market access. If Raiz's roundup investing model feels limiting, these platforms provide smarter, more flexible ways to build wealth over time. Thanks for watching. Choose the app that best fits your goals and start investing smarter today.